Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most Rahman and most Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ayaz Ali. I am from Paragon Academy. Well, my presentation topic is language. Language is a source of communication. It helps to understand well. It helps to share idea, information. It helps to argue it helps to us argue and question. It helps to communicate our feeling, emotions with the help of English. We have a language of sound and language of gestures. Each language has four skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. To our input and to our output. L1, almost we learn and read and write at home, but L2 has four skills. Always we learn at schools. Benefit of English language. English language has many benefits. It helps to understanding well. It helps to understanding well. It helps to argue question. It helps to create new idea and argue with each other. The most poetry was that a tree is useless without fruit. We are useless without English language. We are deaf, blind, dumb without English language. English language is a most and common language of Pakistan and also important official language of all our world. That's it.